What up, everybody? We're playing more Firefight, and we're gonna be playing hardcore. We already did a lot of normal Firefight, but we're gonna do some Floodfight, bro. This ain't gonna be too difficult. It's probably really easy, honestly. But at the same time, I want to know because I'm just good. I'm just good like that. Just kidding. But yeah, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. But yeah, let's see. Extra weapon, kills doubler, XP doubler. No, I don't know. I don't know what I want. There's just like some things that are just like there, and I'm like, yes, I understand now. Sí, señor. But let's see. I guess we could trust this guy out. I want to have like a marine kind of thing. But he's expensive though. Marines are expensive. Sack, bro. I don't need to worry too much for now. I can't hear Shaq shit. Hold up. Yeah, hold up. I can't hear Jack shit. Wait, the fuck? Let me reset this because it don't sound good if I can't play like without any noise or anything like that. It's like really disgusting. There we go. That's better. Floodfight. Yes. Let's continue. There we go. Sorry about that. I didn't want you guys to like be bored out of your minds. Just waiting for the Alright, let's do it. That should be enough because it did a good amount of damage on my weapon. But because flood fights are easy, right? Like, come on, they're just a flood. They're not that scary. I mean, they are pretty scary. The parasites and the infection, the actual game. But yeah. Jesus Christ. You're like, thank you. Gotta move this way. Boom. We're going killing spree here. Just gotta hit the moving car right here. I'm gonna drive by. I'm literally drive by them. Let's go! You're going down. Go. Pretty easy so far. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. We continue on this path. We're gonna continue on our journey, and we're gonna keep killing. Let's explore around. I don't think I actually explored this one out there. Whoa, I'm trying to hit. Ow. What the heck? How much speed do I need before this becomes lethal? Charge! Jesus Christ, they come in packs, that's for sure. Damn, we went around killing all of them.
I just found this game that completely takes my mind off of everything. So it's called Monopoly Go. It's based off of the Monopoly board game, and it's fast-paced with super cool graphics. And the best part? It's completely free with no ads. That's right, 0 ads. You gotta try it out. So click this video and download Monopoly Go right now. And let me know what you think. Bye, guys.
So far, so good. Alright, let's just go over here. I'm gonna reset. I'm getting good rewards here and there. But let's see. Ooh, we got this one. Mark 5 extra over here. I prefer this one though, so I don't have to worry too much. We finally upgraded our assault rifle to level 3. That's gonna be good. I don't know how much that's good. I don't know how good that is actually. But it's level 3 now, so it's amazing. Got 250 credits. These credits suck because it's not really giving me a lot. It's just like, wow, credits, yay, cool, awesome. But yeah, so let's continue in our Floodfight because I got a lot of grinding to do. Lots of grinding. Oh my god. Yes! Let's go! Okay, really blast my weapon. But this is a real good weapon here. Just like, look at this. Fuck. Any weapon on me. Punch me to death. Okay, respectfully, they were punching me to death and I had no other weapon. I had a pistol, man. not going to be the most difficult one so far. Gotta keep blasting him for a bit. The fact I'm just blasting the gun here. God damn, I murdered them all. The moment I got that gun, it's all over. It was all over for those floods. Hell yeah, hell yeah. New man, new game. Here we go, here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I need a red. Gotta remove it. Oh, he dodged that. Wow, look at that. He outsmarted me. I need like a few seconds of like speed and then I'll be good. Jesus, man, I keep coming all over the place, man. Alright. I'm doing amazing, though. New level, new level. need like a weapon in the meantime. That vehicle's hard to use because they're like chasing me. Fuck. Jesus, bro, I just got blasted. I got hella blasted, man. That's not good. Let's go. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of them. Going all out right here, man. Not bullets. Let's go. Gotta punch him to death. Jesus Christ. I went all out right here. Maybe one more. One more, should I do it? Because I'm killing them pretty quick. It's like the levels are going fast and I'm like, I'm not even trying. Ooh, oh no, this is not a new map. But I'm curious of Flood here. Don't need this weapon. Wow, I just used the... Jesus Christ, they're coming everywhere. Bro, I just obliterated them all. Woo!
In Carl's Jr., quando compras una Big Carl, un spicy chicken sandwich.
But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, man. Bye bye.